Here's what's left of the purlins. Pretty rough shape. This one's completely gone. So we will replace these on the east side. Moving the plastic back as we do. The weather's a little unsettled looking today, so I'm going to keep the plastic on for now and just do it purlin by purlin. In case bad weather comes, I can just put the covering back over. Definitely got to be the last year on this greenhouse. It's just really in rough shape. Replace the 3 purlins on the lower rafter. Just about to start the upper rafter. 3 there on the east side, then we'll move over to the west side if the weather holds. That's been sprinkling on and off. It's not the most pleasant day for the job, but we'll keep at it. Greenhouse still looks terrible, but slightly less terrible. Greenhouse update. The south rafters are in, south rafter, and the north. We've replaced the purlins, and now we're going to skin it. And of course, always seems to be the way, calm day, and then as soon as you get the plastic out, get it cut, the wind picks up. So we'll see if we can get it done. We have the plastic sheeting on. A little bit of a wrinkle in it. I haven't totally nailed down the lath all the way. So on a better day, when there's some more daylight, we can secure it, get the wrinkles out. Replace the stovepipe on another day. Clean up all the construction debris, and we'll be set for the season. Thanks for watching.